What is going on, everybody? Okay, today I'm in Lehi, Utah, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace this Hunter 4-inch pop-up sprinkler head. So let's get started. Tools that you need are a little flathead screwdriver in case you need to get underneath this, pop up that nozzle because we're going to save that nozzle. Got the 4-inch Hunter sprinkler head, a little hand shovel, and then a trenching shovel, a little skinny shovel. So what I've done is I've already excavated this area, took all the dirt out, got down to the base of the sprinkler head, and then now all you have to do is just remove the head. So in order to do that, you just twist the head counterclockwise to remove the sprinkler head. And you'll see basically there's just threads that kind of thread onto this 1/2-inch funny yaw. So with that base already set in place, now we grab the new sprinkler head and we're gonna go ahead and set that onto those threads with the opposing threads. Twist that on clockwise. You can see how it's gonna go on nice and smooth. Twist it all the way to the threads are connected with a funny yaw, nice and hand tight. And that's it. That's how you replace a Hunter 4-inch sprinkler body. So when you're replacing the sprinkler heads, one of the things you want to remember is to make sure you're getting the same height. They have 3-inch sprinkler heads, 2-inch sprinkler heads, and then larger sprinkler heads. So this one is a 4-inch Hunter Pro spray. So if you take that to your supply house, you can get the same sprinkler head, and that way it'll swap out and not have any problems as far as the height, excuse me, as far as the height that you need. So I'll take this dirt, go ahead and push that back in the hole, make it nice and straight, and that's how you replace a 4-inch Hunter sprinkler head. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.